Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This is going to be non-phone, absolutely no talking. You are going to be given a scorecard, and you're going to listen to pre-recorded phone calls from customer service agents, and you're going to score them on how well they did, giving any feedback that you can provide. Of course, the links to all the pages that I'm sharing are directly linked in the YouTube description box below this video, and I just ask that if you enjoy any of these job leads, let me know that by giving this video a thumbs up like button. That does give me that direct feedback. Now, today's job lead is from the company United Health Group, Optum, United Healthcare. They're kind of all entangled in there together. It's a huge insurance company. They have 16,000 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall employee satisfaction rating of a 3.7 out of 5 stars. And they are hiring a contact center operations quality assurance specialist. This is full-time nationwide for the United States remote. Now, a few things I want to quickly point out about United Healthcare. They are known for providing the computer equipment you need to do the job. They're also known for providing you high-speed internet. So all you have to have is yourself. So working with them would be perfect for someone who doesn't have a computer or a home office setup, or maybe you only have a mobile phone and you don't even have home internet access, because they're going to make sure that you have all the tools you need to do the job. Also, there for a few weeks, I quit sharing jobs from United Healthcare because they seem to take them down really quickly. They only leave them up for so long. They get a lot of applications and then they pull them down and start interviewing. So if you're interested in this, don't waste any time getting that application in. But they are looking for somebody to work Monday through Friday, normal business hours of 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. local time. They're going to let you work in your actual local time zone. You don't have to convert those hours. They're going to offer weeks of paid training, and the training schedule is going to be discussed with your first day of employment. But they're basically looking for somebody to conduct call monitoring or auditing evaluations against defined quality scorecards. So they're going to give you the criteria to grade them on. You're going to provide concise written analysis of the interaction along with any feedback and coaching recommendations that you have to improve the customer service representative's performance. You'll utilize their tracking system to report out quality performance by the individual that you're scoring and by the team that they are on. You'll facilitate and provide feedback in collaborations and quality assurance meetings as needed. Now, you also may have to prep these calls and information for any call listening sessions with external partners. They're not requiring any kind of college degree, just a high school diploma or GED and 2 years of experience in some kind of call center customer service environment. They would like 2 years of experience with quality evaluation tools or programs, experience using computer systems, specifically Microsoft Office, Excel, things like that. They want somebody who can edit, save spreadsheets. Now, pay is going to be dependent on a lot of factors such as your location and experience. Pay ranges anywhere from $18.80 an hour all the way up to $36.78 an hour. And of course, they also offer a standard benefit package. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those. Don't forget, if you enjoyed this job lead, give this video a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.